Also, beautiful people, here we are with another video about talking about the actual ways to make $20,000 cash in your first month as an educational content creator. I'm not talking about any kind of paid community on school or Discord server. The actual business, how you can take this idea and replicate your system to make that kind of money in your first month maybe. If you have good sales processor, good systems, good backend system, you can do this. Well, not waste any more time. Let's get into it. The way, the actual way, you can show here the webinar content mechanism. The big guys that do this shit to make fuck ton of money. Well, you have some sort of audience from anywhere, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. You just have to tell them to get into webinar. You just have to host a webinar for in a week. Like I told you how it is. Let's see. You have a traffic, alright? And let's see, you have a traffic, alright? And you need you post a content about some sort of specific thing, content, and you just have to tell your audience a CTA at the end of your content. Like, what does this mean, CTA? CTA means call to action. You just have to tell a CTA after what you told here in CTA, call to action, that your audience have to go in a webinar. You just have to host a webinar for a week. One, uh, you tell your audience and just get into my webinar. You get this, you get that. You have some sort of value from me personally. That kind of things you have to offer. Give some upfront value. That is how it is. Your audience get into your funnel funnel tactic to your content mechanism. This is called a content mechanism. There's a webinar funnel. They get into it, and you just have to host it for in a week, in every week, for in a month, maybe 4 times. Just host it, and after you host it, I'm just understand you in simple terms how it is, how is it going, and how big players leverage these things to make fuck ton of money. I'm just telling you the another thing because I learned so many fucking AI info products. So many info products I learn. I buy some things personally uh, for sales, marketing purposefully, and I'm telling you the exact things how I end up as a consumer, and that's it. Well, just got up, and after the CTA, host a webinar, host a webinar funnel, and after that, let's talk. Let's say you host a 1 hour webinar for a week. For a week, you just have to give 1 hour for your audience. A fulfillment 1 hour that your audience gives so much value from you, take so much value from you, and you give so much value. That's it. That's a win-win situation. Well, in this here, at the end of the hour in this webinar, you just have to tell another city a call to action. What is it? To get into your product, like a high ticket or mid ticket items. You can sell easily in here. You might be thinking, is it alright? Are they buy my things in the webinar? Listen, you getting shocked. You getting shocked how people buy from you in a webinar. Right. That's it. I'm not getting complicated as you think. It's a simple process. You just have to using this webinar content mechanism. You just have to leverage this thing to make that kind of money. Not as complicated as you think. It's a easy processor, and might be you need someone who handle the all stuff backend and you just have to make content. Well, I'm here for you. If you want me to do this shit for you, just connect with me. Alright, I'm straightforward. It is so fucking easy to do that. If you do this by on your own, just go for it. And if you need someone else who handle your CRM, who handle your email sequence, who handle your VV, uh, just drop in. And after all of that, you can't believe how people are gonna buy your items on a webinar call. Well, that is it for today, guys. Well, that is it for today, guys. I've not completed it. It's easy. Traffic, content, CTA, webinar, another CTA. Just sell the fucking things and hit. And if you need me to work this shit for you, just contact us. That's it. Well, take care of yourself. Peace out. That's it.